We are in the Fairfax County Adult Detention Center gymnasium, and what we are having today is our Inmate Resource Fair. The Inmate Resource Fairs began in 2014, and since then we have had them twice a year. We have 25 vendors here today, and each year we're getting more and more folks and vendors coming in. As far as the inmate participation, I would imagine somewhere around the neighborhood of almost 100. We have made re-entry a priority within the Sheriff's Office. We have a responsibility to provide inmates with the tools that they need in order to be successful when they re-enter the community. We offer educational programs inside of the Adult Detention Center as well as employment skills, and what that does is once we have these resource fairs come in, it just carries over into connecting the individuals with these vendors, so when they get out of jail, the additional resources combined with what services that we offer inside the jail make it more for a smoother transition back into the community. This is just a fantastic thing that we do. We're going to keep doing it and add to it every year with having more vendors coming in and providing the resources we need for the inmates to be successful.